In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and wordpress.com. We're going to start from a simple Google search, head into your WordPress dashboard, open the plugins area, search for a specific WooCommerce add-on called Ajax Add to Cart for WooCommerce, and then open its details page so you can review it. I'll guide you through each click and share a few practical tips along the way to keep everything smooth. Begin by opening your web browser and searching for the word WordPress on Google. In the results, look for the official wordpress.com link. This ensures you land on the correct platform and avoid any lookalike sites. Click through to wordpress.com. Once you're in, move to managing your site. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that. After logging in, look for the area where you can manage your sites. Depending on your view, you might see the site editor first. From there, use the site switcher or the dashboard menu to reach the main management screen. If you have more than one site, confirm you're on the correct one before proceeding. Next, open the Plugins section from the WordPress menu. On WordPress.com, the Plugins option appears for certain plan levels, so if you don't see it, you may need to check your plan or hosting setup. When the Plugins page loads, you'll be in the right place to browse, search, and review available extensions. Since our goal involves WooCommerce, it's helpful if WooCommerce is already installed on your site, but for now we're just locating the add-on. Use the search bar at the top of the Plugins page and type exactly Ajax Add to Cart for WooCommerce. Take a moment to confirm the spelling so you get precise results. If you see a lot of similar options, you can sort or scan for the one that matches the exact name, paying attention to the plugin icon and the developer line to avoid lookalikes. When you see Ajax Add to Cart for WooCommerce in the results, click it to open the details page. This screen is where you can read the full description, review screenshots, check the last update date, confirm compatibility with your version of WordPress and WooCommerce, and scan ratings and reviews. Verifying these details helps ensure the plugin is well maintained and will work reliably with your store. Depending on your plan and permissions, you may see options here that let you proceed further. If not, you can note the plugin for later or bookmark the page. That's it. You searched for WordPress, navigated to your site management, opened plugins, searched for Ajax Add to Cart for WooCommerce, and viewed the plugin details so you can evaluate it confidently.